So now we'll see how to find the equation of a plane passing through 3 points. Okay, so this is the theorem. The equation of plane passing through 3 points A, x1, y1, z1 be equal to is this determinant. Is the determinant. Okay, we'll prove this one. Okay, so proof of this one. So proof the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane passing through A, x1, y1, z1 is of the form A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, so the equation of plane passing through one point is of this form. So what we want, we don't want this ABC because they are not here. So we use this. Okay, so now your plane 1 is passing through the B and C. Okay, plane 1 passing through B, x2, y2, z2 and C, x3, y3, z3. That means what? They satisfy the equation of the plane. So therefore we have so A into x2 minus x1 plus b into y2 minus y1 plus c into z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. I call this as 2 now. Okay, and for this one A, x3 minus x1 plus b y3 minus y1 plus c z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is 3. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to eliminate A, B, C from. Okay, so eliminating A, B, C from equations 1, 2 and 3, we get what is this? A into x minus x1 plus b. Okay, so I have erased this actually. So A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is your A. So what we have to do? Eliminating A, B, C from 1, 2, 3. So what here? Just first column is nothing but a coefficient of A, second column is nothing but a coefficient of B, and third column is nothing but, because what? All are equal to 0 and they are A, B, C. Okay. So in this way, okay, and see, this is if this second row and third row are constant. Okay, so and there is no product of the x and y. So we get if you expand this, we get a first degree equation x and y. So this is required equation of a plane. So this is the required equation of plane. This is the required equation of plane passing through 3 points. Okay, so we'll take a problem on it now. Very simple. Find the equation of a plane passing through A 2, 2 minus 1, B 3, 4, 2, C 7, 0, 6. Okay, solution. Equation of a plane passing through. Okay, instead of this, we will directly write this solution now here. Just we will write we'll remove the find only, the solution. Okay, the equation of a plane passing through this is determinant of. I'll take A as the fix now here. So this is what? X minus 2, y minus 2, z plus 1, and this is equal to 0. I will write this minus 2 plus 1 as it is. I will write B now. Okay, so this is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1. I will replace b, x y z as b. Now I will replace x y z as c. Now this is what, this minus 2, 0 minus 2 and 6 plus 1. Okay, so I have to expand this determinant only. Okay, so this is what, x minus 2, y minus 2, z plus 1. Now this is what, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 5, this is minus 2, this is 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so I have to expand this determinant only. I have to expand this determinant only. Okay, so how to expand this determinant, that we will see only. What to do now? Okay, so now this is what, x minus 2. Write in bracket x minus 2. Then the product of this, that is what, we have to drop this column. You have to drop this. You have to take the determinant of this block. So this is what, 14. Then this is what, minus 6. You have to subtract that. So this is plus 6 minus y minus 2. You have to write in bracket y minus 2. You have to write in bracket. So drop this column, drop this 2. So this is what, 1, 5, 2. So what, 1 into 7 is a 7. Then this product is 15. You have to subtract this 15. Then plus z plus 1 into, you have to drop this row, you have to drop this column. So this is what, minus 2. And this product is 10. You have to subtract that. This is minus 10. This is 0. So this is 20x minus 14. This is 20x minus 14. So this is what, 7 minus 15 is 7 minus 15 is minus 8, and will become plus 8 now. So plus 8y minus 16 now. This minus must become plus. So plus 8 into y minus 2. So plus 8y minus 16. So this is minus 12. So minus 12z minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is what, 20x plus 8y minus 12z. Okay, all are negative now. Constant all are negative. So this is what, 8. So 68 now is equal to 0. Okay, so can you simplify by 4? Yes, 4 you can. So this is what, 5x plus twice y minus 3z minus 1 17. This is 0. Okay, so this will be your 5x plus twice y minus 3z minus 17 is equal to 0. This is your required equation of the plane. Okay, so the problem is over now. So only crucial part is what here, you have to expand the determinant. Formula is very important now here. Okay, so we will take this. Show that the 4 points. So that the 4 points, minus 6, 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 3, and we'll check once again, minus 6, 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 7, 3, and minus 13, 17, minus 1 are coplanar. Coplanar. That means they lie on the same plane. Okay. Solution. Let solution. Let, I will call this as A, I will call this as B, I will call this as C, and D be the given points. Be the given point. What I will do? I will find the equation of a plane passing through first 3 points, and I will show that the 4th point satisfies the equation of the plane. Okay. So first we will find equation of a plane passing through. Directly we will write this. Okay. The equation of the plane, directly write the equation of the plane passing through A, B, C each. That is your right. Okay. So this is what I will use, the x minus 6, x minus x1. Okay. So you have to change the sign now here. So x plus 6 will be there then. Okay. So y minus 3, z minus 2. This is equal to 0. Right. So this plus 6 I have to write as it is. Plus 6 I have to write it is. Minus 3 I have to write it is. Minus 2 I have to write it. Only I have to write here what? The x, y, z coordinate of the point B. So this is what? 3 minus 2. This is what? 7. This is 7. Okay. Then I have to write it. Oh, what is this? So 3 minus 2. This is 4 now. You have to write the coordinate of B now. Okay. So 3 minus 2, 4. Let's say this is 5, 7, 3. So 5, 7, 3. Okay. I'll expand this. So I'll first simplify this. Y minus 3, z minus 2. This is 9 minus 5. This is 2. This is 11. This is 4. This is 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is what then? X plus 6 into, so minus 5 minus 8 minus y minus 3. So 9 minus 22. Okay. Plus z minus 2 into what? 36. This is plus now. Plus 55 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is minus 13. Okay. So minus 13 x plus 6 minus become plus now. So 9 minus 22. So this is 13 minus 13. So plus 13 y minus 3. Then what is this? This is what? 61, 91 now. This is what? 91 z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. After simplifying, what we get? Minus 13x plus 13y plus 91z, and the constant will be minus 2990. Constant will be minus 2990. You can check this. Okay. So this is your required equation of the plane. Okay. So this is the plane passing through 3 points. Okay. That means what? All these 3 points lie on this plane. Okay. For the point D minus 13, 17 minus 1, LHS of 1 is equal to. So minus 13 plus 13 into 17 plus 91 into minus 1 minus 299. Right? So this is what? So you can check, this is 0. So this is what? You do this product and you see that this is 0. This is RHS of 1. So therefore D also lies on the plane 1, on the plane 1. Therefore A, B, C, D are coplanar. So the problem is over. So that is what. So same thing you can solve. You can find the equation of plane passing through 3 points. If they ask check whether the points are coplanar or not 4 points, just find the equation of plane passing through any 3 points. Take a simpler points. Okay. So we'll see the last one was the complicated. So therefore we have dropped that and we have taken the okay. So if D will be what? B as it is. So drop that B. So call that. But just find the equation of plane passing through A. Don't call this B now. A, C, D now. This. Okay. Take a simple points. Any 3 points you can choose. You can find the equation of plane passing through any 3 points and show that the whatever the fourth point, that fourth point satisfy the equation of the plane. Okay. Next we'll find equation of a plane theorem. Equation of a plane passing through two points A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2 and perpendicular to the plane a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 is x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 a1 b1 c1 is equal to 0. Okay, solution from the proof now. What is this? Equation of plane passing through 2 points and perpendicular to the plane this. Okay, no problem for this one. Okay, so now we'll write this equation of a plane passing through A x1 y1 z1 each of the form. We'll use 1 point first. Each of the form x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. I will call this as 1 now. Okay. Now what you want? A, B, C, we don't want that. Okay. Our aim is to remove A, B, C now. Okay. So now, okay. So we have taken this point. We have used this point. Okay. What we have to use now? This plane is passing through this point. Okay. So plane 1, the plane 1 passing through B x2 y2 z2. Therefore we have. So that means what? Your B satisfy the equation of the plane 1. So therefore we have A into x2 minus x1 plus B into y2 minus y1 plus C z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. We have this 2. Okay. So we use this plane passing through the second point. Now the plane is perpendicular to the plane. Okay. The plane 1 is perpendicular to the plane a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. So that means what? The plane are perpendicular. When the plane are perpendicular, this is your plane. The coefficient of x, y, z is a, b, c and here coefficient of x, y, z is a1, b1, c1. So dot product is 0, you know that. So therefore we have a1 plus b1 plus c1 is equal to 0. We call this as 3 now. We call this as 3. Okay. So now, so this is AA1. AA1 plus BB1 plus CC1. Okay. So what we'll do now? We have the 3 equations and the 3 unknown ABC, 3 unknown. So what we'll do? Eliminating A, B, C from equations 1, 2 and 3. We get this is the coefficient of A, So x minus x1, x2 minus x1 and a1. Coefficient of b, coefficient of c is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation of plane. This is required equation of a plane. This is the required equation of plane. Okay. So the problem is over now here. Okay. We'll take a problem on it. Find the equation of plane. Equation of plane through the points 2 to 1 and 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to the plane, twice x plus twice y plus 6z is equal to 9. Okay, so we'll directly write the solution because we have a direct formula for this one. The equation of a plane through the point this is, we'll write the determinant x minus, we'll use the first point 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. Okay, now this minus 2 will be as it is, minus 1 will be as it is. We'll replace your point b now here. So this is 9, 3, 6 and the plane is perpendicular to this one. Just write the coefficient of x, y, z here. That is what 2 to 6 is equal to 0. 2 to 6 is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify this. Instead of simplify this, so what we'll do? So this is what x minus 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. So this is what 7, 1. This is 5. So this is 2 to 6. I can write this is 1, 1 because what here 2 I can take common. This is 1, 1, 3 also we can do this one, but keep as it is. Okay, so just we will simplify this. So this is what x minus 2. Then this is what 6 minus 10 minus y minus 2. You have to write y minus 2 in bracket, note that. So drop the corresponding column, corresponding row. So 7 into 6 is 42 minus 10 plus z minus 1. You can check your answer. So that I will tell you how to check the answer is correct. So this is 14 minus 2. This is 0. Okay. So this is what minus 4 x minus 2. So minus this is 32 y minus 2 plus 12 z minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is what minus 4x minus 32y plus 12z plus 8 plus 64 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is minus 4x minus 32y plus 12z. Okay, so this is 8 and this is minus 4. So plus 60 now. Plus 60. Okay. Now we can divide by 4. You can divide by 4 now. So this is what x plus 8y minus 3z minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation of plane. This is required equation of a plane. This is the required equation of a plane. I think we made a mistake somewhere. We'll check once again the answer. What that? X minus 2 y minus 2, z minus 1. Okay, so this minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 as it is. Then this is 9 3 6, then this is 2 2 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what is x minus 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. This is what 7 1 5. This is also correct. 2 2 6. Okay, so this is 0. So this is what x minus 2 into what 6 minus 10. Yeah, here we made mistake. Okay, 6 minus 10. Okay, so now this is what y minus 2. So this is what 42 minus 10 now. 42 minus 10. Okay, and plus z minus 1 into 14 minus 2. Okay, so somewhere we made a mistake. 40 minus, how we got a 40? Z minus 1. This is a 14 minus 2. Okay, we are correct now. So this is what minus 4 x minus 2 minus 32 y minus 2. Okay, plus 12 z minus 1 is equal to. Okay, we was correct now, no problem for this one. So this is what minus 4x minus 32y plus 12z plus 8 plus 64 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is what minus 4x minus 32y plus 12z plus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, so the problem was correctly. So this is what x plus 8y minus 3z minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is your required equation of the plane. We'll take one more theorem like this and then we will stop. Okay, so theorem, the equation of a plane passing through a point a x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to the planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Each x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equal to 0. This is very simple. Okay, solution. We'll use the one point now here. The equation of a plane passing through a x1 y1 z1 is of the form a into x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 is equal to 0. We call this as 1 now. Okay, this is our required equation of the plane, but we need the values of a, b, c. Okay, now your plane 1 is perpendicular to the planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. So therefore we have the planes perpendicular. Direction ratio of the normal to the plane 1 are a, b, c, and the direction ratio to the normal to the plane, these are a1, b1, c1. So planes are perpendicular means normals are also perpendicular. So what we have a1 plus b1 plus c1 is equal to 0, a2 plus B2 plus C2 is equal to 0. I will call this as 2. I will call this as 3. Okay. So now I want to eliminate ABC from 1, 2, 3. Okay. Eliminating A, B, C from 1, 2 and 3, we get this. Okay, we get this, and this is the first degree equation. Now see, this your what? Coefficient of A, coefficient of B and coefficient of C. Okay, so this is the required equation of a plane. This is the required equation of a plane. So problem is over now here. Okay, the theorem is over here. Okay, we'll do one problem on it and then we'll stop here. Okay, obtain equation of a plane through the point -1, 3, 2 and perpendicular to the two planes x plus twice y plus twice z is equal to 5 and 3x plus 3y plus twice z is equal to 8. Okay, so now we directly write the solution. Instead of this obtain or find, we drop that. Okay, so solution. Okay, the equation of a plane through this, okay, is given by directly we write this. We'll subtract the first point is what? X plus 1, y minus 3, z minus 2. Okay, then perpendicular to the planes, that means what? Just write the coefficients of x, y, z here. 1, 2, 2. Then from second plane coefficients of x, y, z. This is equal to 0. Just expand this, you will get the required equation of the plane. So this is what? X plus 1 into 4 minus 6 minus y minus 3. Drop this. Okay, so 2 minus 6 plus z minus 2 into 3 minus 6. So this is 0. Okay, so minus 2 x plus 1 minus become plus 4 y minus 3 minus 3 z minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is minus twice x plus 4y minus 3z minus 2 minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is minus twice x plus 4y minus 3z. Okay, so this is what the 4 here minus 8 now is equal to 0. I have changed all the sign. So this is 4 twice x minus 4y plus 3z plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so the plane we have already written here. So this is your required equation of the plane. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one. We have the direct formula for this one. If you apply direct formula for this one, it is very simple now. Okay, so I hope that you understand all those things. Okay, so now we'll stop here.